I'm standing here with our SWXe-160 zero-emission, all-electric Shuttlewagon mobile rail car mover. The SWXe-160 uses a rubber tire drive system. In fact, this particular machine is set up with a Michelin 1224 radial tubeless tire package. In addition, we have a tandem rail gear design where the rail wheels are pressed against the top of the railhead. The motive traction is coming from the rubber tire, while the rail wheels are being pressed to the top of the railhead for maintaining rail stability. As we come around, I'd also like to highlight, very similar to our diesel machines, this unit is equipped with an air knife or air blade, if you will, along with a rubber sweep that clears the rail of moisture, debris, and then follows up with a blast of compressed air to further cleanse the track of any residue or wetness, moisture, what have you, all in an effort to mitigate conditions that might necessarily cause loss of traction. Another nice feature to this SWXe-160 is our simple coupling system. The same system that you'll find on our traditional diesel-powered units, where we utilize an AAR knuckle, has an auto release from the cab, or if you're operating in remote mode, you can simply uncouple via the remote transmitter and pull away from the car that you were coupled to. We also have central lubrication on this machine. You can see grease points here on the left side, front of the machine, as well on the right side. This in consideration of simplicity of operation and ease of maintenance. We have a number of other options and features that we could talk about on this particular machine. We look forward to sharing those with you in future videos and postings. In the meanwhile, feel free to give us a call. We'd love to hear from you, visit with you about any one of our other electric units and how we might be able to bring value to your rail-based operations. You can reach us at 816-767-0300 or at shuttlewagonsales@nordco.com. Again, we'd love to hear from you.